CRC Worldviews and News, important news about Christians worldwide. Today is the 1st of June 2025. Fidelia ONC says that a church was destroyed in Chile. The people of the area who are not followers of any religion came in anger and said that the church was misleading people and burned the church. Now, with the cooperation of the government and the donations of the people of this church, they are starting to rebuild it. Don Andrews said that in China. That part of the Word of God that tells that in the coming time the world will be destroyed, and people will go to heaven and hell, was removed. Some churches were secretly teaching true Christianity. But they were closed, and their leaders were severely punished. Pastor Ye Chi was in prison in Vietnam for 12 years. He was accused of teaching the Word of God through the internet. He was very cruel in prison, but he remained steadfast in his faith. He is still imprisoned in his house, but the government cannot remove the love of God from his heart. US President Donald Trump said that a trade draft has been prepared regarding Pakistan. A delegation is coming from Pakistan in the coming days, after talks with them. Taxes on all trade will be decided. Zakaria says that Christians in Niger are victims of many attacks. Boko Haram is looking for Christians to kill them. In many incidents people have faced beatings. But God is maintaining Christianity. Tony Duport said that he is worried about Christians in Tajikistan. Their jobs are being taken away. Now they are unemployed. The church has also been urged not to start any kind of business through them. Many Christians have been arrested. In Algeria, Solomon Boufaz says that the propagation of Christianity is a deadly act. But for Jesus they can bear everything. The government catches those who propagate Christianity and makes false accusations. They were accused of selling drugs and sent to prison. Ezra said that he is very worried about the economic situation of Christians in Mali. Their farmland has been confiscated. Now they have no business. Their expenses have also depleted their savings. Pastor Madubal Mansa said that a church was attacked in Ghana. There are some Islamic extremists who come from across the border, destroy houses, spread fear, kill. The authorities are also afraid of them and are worried. Amina said that she used to teach the Bible in Somalia. When the extremists were found, they attacked and beat her. But she worships with many believers in a secret church. She remains faithful even in the face of death threats. Action against them. Stay with us for more news. If you want to watch more such videos and you liked our video, then subscribe to our channel. A reliable source of information. Stay connected with CRC News.